Hey, my cookies. If you don't know what to do with that leftover turkey after Thanksgiving, then this recipe is for you. Yeah, turkey sandwiches are cool, but my turkey tetrazzini will change your mind on that, okay? So let's cook. First, you want to melt some butter in a pot, then add in mushrooms. Mine were already cooked because I have them left over, but if you're using fresh, go ahead and add them in now with the diced onion, and we're going to saute them together until they're nice and browned or cooked. My mushrooms already are, so I'm just waiting on the onion. Now I'm adding in minced garlic, and we're going to saute that around for a few seconds. We're going to make a little roux, so I'm sprinkling in some flour and we're going to stir that out for about a good minute just to make sure that that floury taste is all the way gone. Now I'm pouring in some chicken stock and we're going to allow that to come to a low boil. As soon as it thickens up, it's going to do that almost immediately. We want to go ahead and pour in 1 full can of evaporated milk, not condensed milk. Don't play with me, okay? And then after that, we're going to add in a little bit of half and half, give it all a good stir, and allow it to come up to a nice rolling simmer. Now I'm adding in some softened cream cheese. Yes, cream cheese. We want this to be really, really creamy. So go ahead and stir that in and allow it to melt. As the cream cheese dissolves, I know it looks gross, but we're going to add in some dried basil, a little bit of salt, and fresh cracked black pepper to taste. And I also added in some onion powder. And go ahead and give that a stir. And guys, don't worry if the cream cheese is not completely melted down. It's okay. That's actually what we want, so it can stick to the noodles. But anyway, just go ahead and give it a stir. Once it starts to thicken, then we add in our shredded Parmesan cheese and stir that in. Now I'm going to add in some thin spaghetti that I've already cooked according to package instructions and drained. Add that in and stir it together really, really well. Look how creamy that is. So good. Now we're going to add in our leftover turkey. You can also do this with a rotisserie chicken, so that's another idea. But my turkey recipe is in that link in the description box, so click it. All right, also we're going to add in some mozzarella cheese and give it all a good stir. I've greased my 9 by 13 or 13 by 9 casserole dish and poured everything in there. Now I'm going to sprinkle the remaining Parmesan and mozzarella cheeses on top. Now we bake on 375 for 25 minutes, and cookies, that is our turkey tetrazzini. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. I just sprinkled on a little bit of parsley just to make it cute. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I gotta eat, so until next time, be blessed.